Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to talk about romance and how to keep the spark alive in your relationship. Specifically, we are discussing 5 little things you can do to raise your partner's spirit. Remember, these are just small gestures that can make a big difference in someone's day. 1. Surprise them with some of their favorite food, even if it's just a small snack. 2. Take care of a chore they usually do, like cleaning up after dinner or unpacking the dishwasher. 3. Put on some music that they love and have a little dance party together. Trust me, it's more fun than it sounds. 4. If you're apart during the day, send them a sweet text or, even better, a voice message just to check in and say hi. 5. Lastly, but most importantly, give them a hug or kiss when you see them next, whether it's when you get home from work or just after dinner at night. It may seem simple, but it never gets old and is so heartwarming. So there you have it, 5 little things to keep your partner's spirit high. Give them a try and see how they make a difference in your relationship. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more great content like this one.